Hello everyone, how are we doing? I hope you're doing very well. So today I'm thinking maybe I can share something important with you. Like every now and then I get stopped by the people and they ask me, can you please tell me how can I speak like a native? And this is a long way. Like if you want to learn something, if you want to learn how to play guitar, then you can't learn just 1 or 2 days. You need to have persistence. It takes time, all right? English is a language. You need to spend time, all right? So, okay, cut this story short. Today I'm going to teach you something. Like I'm going to teach you a word. You can use it several ways to express your what do you say? Express yourself. Okay. So now, you don't really get them in the book, but they're used in the spoken English. All right, whether it could be London, New York, or Australia. So this word, let's pick a word like piss. P-I-S-S. Like if you want to urinate, okay, if you want to go to the toilet, then you say I want to make a piss, or I want to take a piss. All right, that means আপনি প্রস্রাব করতে যাবেন। ওকে, আপনি কিন্তু এটাকে আরেকভাবে ব্যবহার করা যেতে পারে। যেমন একটা লোক যখন when someone is very drunk, মানে একটা লোক যখন ড্রাঙ্ক থাকে, সো আপনি যদি বলতে চান এই লোকটা ড্রাঙ্ক, you can say this man looks pissed. I mean this man looks drunk. And another one, আপনি যখন অনেক রাগ আপনার মধ্যে কাজ করছে, ঠিক আছে, আপনি যখন অনেক অ্যাংরি, ঠিক আছে, when you are to express your anger, okay, just pissed off, okay, just piss off, just go away. And you can say as well, I am very pissed off. I don't want to see this man anymore. Okay? And sometimes you can use it in other way as well. When you see this like something like a stick or a look at this wall. Okay? This wall, if it is not straight and if it's curved and if it's uneven, then you can use this piece word to express your feelings, like or express your thought. This wall is not straight. It looks absolutely pissed. You see, this is how the native speakers, they talk. And I have tried my level best to make you understand how the native speakers speak. And that was all for today. Thank you very much.